What is going on, y'all? It's your boy Gabe. Man, I miss dropping these videos, you guys. I do want to apologize, man. Whoever is watching my content consistently, I do want to apologize, man. Took a long ad break, man, but we back at it, you guys. I'm really gonna try my best to drop one content a week, and it's been a whole lot of stuff going on, but we back at it. While I took this, well, I don't want to say break. I just like from well, let's say while this whole time me not dropping videos, I was making my transition from forex trading to futures. So right now I'm heavily focusing on trading futures, you guys. I've been trading on a live account for like good 3 months. 3 months I've been messing around with it, back testing, demonstrating, throwing a small live account for like about like 6 months around there. Altogether, been trying to like really learn because every market is the same, but it's a little tweak to it, especially the future is very volatile. I look a little different. I know I started a YouTube channel with just afro, long hair. I look a little different now. I don't know if you guys fuck with the cut on me. I got like cut my hair like beginning of the year, January, something like that. January, like new year, new look. Yo, nah, but I really miss getting content, dropping these videos, man. But we back at it, you guys. This video is gonna be a quick breakdown of how I caught $423 in SMP, man. Michael SMP. So let's get in the computer, show you a quick breakdown how I caught this money in 1 hour. This is crazy, bro. Like futures, real life crazy. Like they move crazy fast. So I'm about to show y'all right now. We caught this lovely trade on S&P 500 for the micro, man. And trading on a small live account. I've been growing this account, no cap. And so let me tell y'all something, man. You know the market been going crazy. Well, what I mean about that is a whole lot of news. Whole lot of news been happening. And when a lot of news, especially like strong news like Trump, the tariff, this, that, it makes the market real volatile. If you guys been trading for a while, you probably know this. Like it's real crazy. So let me tell y'all something about like 2 weeks ago. I had this. I was kind of like bullish, and I did took some nice like buy trades, like in this one right here and this run. So I had like a verified downtrend on that price broke through it, kind of like a retest and continue. But then a whole lot of news was coming off negative that it was pumping S&P and Nasdaq. And so what I did like last week, I was like, you know what? We gotta look at the overall bias, the overall market condition. It's kind of bearish, especially like it connected like with the news in the market. It's kind of bearish. And then once I saw this lovely trade, so let's go back to the 5 minute trade. Sorry, 5 minute time frame. I took the lovely setup. Once I have 3 or more confluence, I get it. Especially if I have like strong confluence, like let's say news connecting with my buyers, and then the setup connecting with the buyers, I am getting in. So let me put y'all right here. So I drew this trend line right here from right here. So well, you can put this right here. Let me delete it. So I saw it was like a mini bearish trend line creating lower low, lower high. But you see right here, price. I drew the trend line from right here, from this top, all the way from this like structure, lower high, boom. It touched, drop. It touched, drop. Then when it came here, it already have gave me 3 touches. It has gave me 3 touches, like 1, 2, and then 3. Right here, I was waiting real patiently. I was sorry, excuse me. I was really being patient with this setup because I've been trading like the futures for a good couple months. It likes to sometimes like break through it, fly. I mean, break through it, retest, and then like go up. So I've been like, I was like watching it carefully. When once I saw this closure, this like bearish hammer closure, which is very minimum, and it closed below the moving average in the trend line, I was like, I gotta get ready to sell, man. So I went to the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, man. The 1 minute really gave me like it was like more like a scalp trade. You know how like not trade, a scalp entry because it was a 1 hour. You could say that was like more like a scalp. Shit, let me see. Okay, I like found it. Okay, boom. So once I saw that 5 minute closure, I believe which is this one right here, and I saw this, I was like, you know what? Let me wait and see if it wants to like retest again, which it actually did. And I enter around here, right here, boom. This kind of closure. Oh, one of those around there. I enter with my stop loss. It was very tight. At first, it was right here, but then I moved it. I went through with it, and once I saw like a closure, like it was right here. And I like to look at Trading View and this back and forth. TraderVate. I'm trading on the TraderVate broker, which is connected to Trading View, and I like to look at both. And I saw like a candle like waking and look, it's waking the trend line. And I said, you know what? Let me give this trade a try. My stop loss was like right here at first, but I went, dropped a little bit, because this is futures, a whole different ball game. It's $5 per. What is it? $5. Let me make sure right here. Take y'all real quick. I know like $5 per point, something like that. But let me just make sure, double check. No, not here. Trading margin, micro, yeah. Micro. Okay, so it's $5 per point. $5 per point. So let's say this would have been an L. My stop loss right here is 16 points. 16 times 5. That's what I would have lost. I would have lost $80. So, and then imagine it would have been like 20 something points. It would have been like $100 something. And then so back to the trade I did, you guys. So once I saw the price like waking it, especially from the 5 minute, I was like, let me get in. This is a lovely setup. I got the news. The overall buys was bearish, and the setup was clean. It was a um, nice bearish move. So as soon as I got in, like 5 minutes later, boom, got this big drop, you guys. That really made me like confident on the trade. That's when I moved my stop loss to the entry. I'll make it as break even. Boom, price created structure, lower highs, kind of like bouncing off this moving average, and then eventually it rocked, you guys. And I'm about to show you guys right here. Where is that? Where is that? Boom, this is the official, man. It was a nice trade, and you could, let me show y'all. It was 376 ticks. It was a 501 trade, so it's a decent trade, no lie. 376 ticks and 94 points. And literally, you guys, like, look, this was all in 1 hour. I'm about to show you right here. Boom, you guys. So look, it was all in 1 hour. 1 hour, 8 minutes. I only took one trade because once I saw this big, well, it wasn't. Once I saw these nice profits, I didn't want to like overtrade and stuff like that. I'm trying to like my plan is basically trade two trades a day or less than that. If I get like my first trade is W and it's like some nice big profit, I'm comfortable with the profits. I won't overtrade. So it's literally all one trade. You guys look for 23.75 cents. Of course, with the trading fee, this is a live account. and I'm trading with a broker. You know, broker's gonna charge some, like, gonna take some fees and commission. So I took in 421.93 cents. Beautiful trade, you guys. Took my profit and I was done for the day, man. But I'm gonna keep dropping these content, you guys. I'm gonna be blunt with you guys, transparent, win or lose. If I have, like, I'll do like overall weekly like results. I'm gonna just drop. If you guys like this video and want me to do more content like this, like just explaining breakdowns of my trades, please drop a like and a comment. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. And definitely stuck to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. But we back, man. We fully back. All gas, man. Gas on the pedal, you guys. We back on the tooth, man. Appreciate you guys for watching. Out.